Well, thank you to our friend Kevin Hopper. Our snow bike's ready to roll. So check it out. Kevin gave me a hand here and got this super sweet, like Selkirk enclosure kit installed. We were using our KTM 500 EXC as our snow bike. Perhaps not the first choice, but it works out pretty darn great. And then we picked up a screaming deal on this Timbersled Mountainhorse 2 seasons ago. So I think we're going to put one more season on it because it's just working so great. And this Selkirk setup, along with the Thermobob thermostat that was installed, should go a long way toward helping us manage the engine temperature. Also got some nice snow bike specific foot pegs on here. As you can see, on the snow bikes, they don't put anything in the middle here, so the snow and ice doesn't build up and can fall through. On conventional foot pegs, you kind of end up with a ball of snow and ice there. So next up, we're hoping to upgrade the ski kit. That's kind of still in the works, but the new skis are definitely better. And a couple other little things here and there, but this bike is ready to go ripping the pow. So stay tuned for some snow bike action here in the coming weeks, and pray for snow. Get out and ride, go light, go fast, go far. We'll see you on the trail.